my name is Tommy and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to make Tandoori Lamb meatballs. Okay, so these are the ingredients you need. First, we got some egg. Second, we have some tandoori spice. And after, we need some breadcrumbs. And this is minced garlic. And of course, our lamb. Those were the ingredients. So, we will start by preheating our oven. Press bake on your oven. Then, set it to 400. Okay, so always remember when you're in the kitchen to wash your hands. So first, now we are going to add the ingredients. First, we'll add the breadcrumbs. Now, we'll add the garlic. Then, we will add the tandoori spice. And now, at last, we'll add the egg. Once you put all the ingredients in the bowl, you may use your clean hands to mix it all up. While you're mixing, if you think you need some more breadcrumbs, feel free to add any. But remember to always have a parent with you when you're using the stove and when you're in the kitchen. Once you're done mixing, you should be able to make little mini meatballs. And then place them on the tray. Always remember to use parchment paper before you put the meatball on the tray. So you should keep them all a similar size and to space them apart, or else they won't cook evenly.
Have an adult place the meatballs in the oven for approximately 25 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. The meatballs after only 25 minutes. Have an adult remove them from the oven, and once they're cooled down, enjoy.